please, in front of you. Thank you.
It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord.
Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into the trap.
I thought the tour sounded good. What name do they call me?
Keep moving up, guys, all the way forward, all the way inside.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every beast that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's view this guy. Hearing you said to animate the constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ouch! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, sucker and over those pages.
It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. Should be thanking me. Thank you.
Please gather around and watch your steps.